The birth anniversary of Shahid Birsa Munda, who is revered as Bhagwan by tribal communities across the country, has been declared as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas by Government of India. As the nation observes the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, the country also remembers the many tribal leaders and warriors from across the length and breadth of the country, who have gallantly fought against the British and sacrificed their lives. ST and SC Development Department, Government of Odisha, has also planned week-long celebrations starting from 15th November to 22nd November 2021 to celebrate and commemorate the glorious history of tribal people, culture and achievements as part of the overall commemorative initiatives under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. As a part of the celebration of the iconic week of birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, ST and SC Development Department, Government of Odisha, in collaboration with Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, is organizing a national webinar in virtual mode on contributions of Bhagwan Birsa Munda for the struggle of India's independence. On 15th November 2021, the inaugural session of the webinar was graced by Shri Jagannath Sarkar, Honorable Minister, ST and SC Development, Government of Odisha, Srimati Ranjana Chopra, Principal Secretary, ST and SC Development Department, Government of Odisha, Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, and Professor Dr. A.B. Ota, Director and Special Secretary, SCS TRI Odisha.
Today is the birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, and this day is also celebrated as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas throughout the country. And this week, starting from 15th to 22nd, is celebrated as the iconic week to mark the anniversary of the great tribal freedom fighter who has sacrificed his life for the country's independence. This is a part of the celebration under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
We are grateful that the government has decided to also focus on the role played by the tribal freedom fighters. All of us who are directly or indirectly working in the field of tribal welfare and tribal development would understand when I say that the tribal communities, the indigenous communities, not only in the country but globally, are the communities which are the actual torch bearers and the custodians of this earth. Now, in case we look into the history, we find that Bhagwan Birsa Munda, who is revered, who has been deified and has been given a godlike stature by his community, actually was one of the few leaders who was able to thwart the expansion of British colonialism and was able to safeguard the uniqueness and identity of the community's rule over the Chota Nagpur plateau.
All of you are aware that on the eve of 75 years of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Union Cabinet, chaired by Honorable Prime Minister, has announced to commemorate 15th November, the birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. So we have asked all the TRIs to do research on tribal freedom fighters, and happy to tell you that we have found 85 revolts from all over the country, and more than 400 tribal freedom fighters, they have been recognized.
On this auspicious occasion, let me pay homage to one of the most dearest sons of India, Bhagwan Sri Birsa Munda ji, on his birthday. And what a wonderful step taken by the Government of India to commemorate his birthday in the form of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. I think this shows an important example of the legacy, rich legacy that Bhagwan Birsa Munda has left for us.
And there are so many people, veterans who have attended today. I am sure this half-a-day webinar must have created some kind of a sensation in them, some kind of a thought in them to probe and see, and go into more depth about the life and contributions of Birsa Munda. I am sure that this sensitization is definitely going to give you food for thought and to probe further, and we'll have many such webinars in months to come. Thank you. Thank you so much.